Check out what I just bought. This is a Toshiba 4 terabyte external hard drive, and it's so easy to use. They're plug and play, and these are portable. How awesome is that? Look, it's about the size of my hand, and they're so easy to use. All you have to do is use this cord that's provided, and you plug it in right here, and then with the USB part, you plug it into your laptop or your computer. Simple as that. Let me show you how easy it is to work. Here's a close-up of what the cord looks like. We're going to plug in the USB port into our computer, and this is what the cord looks like that we're going to plug into the external hard drive, and this is what the external hard drive looks like. We're going to plug in the cord into this port right here. Perfect. And then we're going to plug this in to our USB connection. Once you plug it in, you're going to notice that the blue light comes on and you're actually going to feel it working. So once you click on this PC, you'll notice that there's the Toshiba, and it says right here, 3.63 terabytes are free. Then you're going to go to whatever file folders that you would like to transport in there. And here is, for example, the pictures. And let's say I want to add this picture in. I would right mouse click it and click copy or cut. Or you can simply add the whole folder by simply copying and pasting. So what I'm going to do is click copy, and then I'm going to go to the Toshiba folder and then right mouse click and click paste. And then as you can see, it says 36 items and it's now transferring over. It says it's 30 seconds and it is a few gigabytes, and it should be done in about 20 seconds, and it's so simple to do. And it even tells you your speed. Right now I'm at about 140 megabytes per second. And that is how simple it is to transfer. Now the next important thing to do is to go down to your screen and click right here to safely remove your hardware and eject media. This is very important. So I'm going to click eject external USB. Once you click that, it goes through its steps, and then as you can see, it's still blinking, and then it's stopped, and then it's safe for you to remove. And that's how easy it is to use an external hard drive. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.